It's the evening of December 8th, and I have completed the first segment. All the lines have been run, the lines have been re-secured, readjusted for length, tightened up, and it looks like everything is ready to go. I still need some end caps for this pipe, but this one segment actually looks like it's about ready. I still have a long way to go. The middle segment, which is right here, has to be completely rebuilt, as well as the top segment. So I probably will get to that this week, but it's going to be a little while.